Very good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining the 38th day of 108 meditations with 108 masters. Today's speaker is Siri Madam. Siri Master is from Vijayawada and now residing in Jaipur. She is a professional gemologist and jewelry designer. She is also a life coach and pranic healer. Currently, she leads PMC Jaipur, where she actively promotes and spreads the meditation.
Namaste ji, thank you. Let us know about the knowledge about pyramid and human pyramid. We consider that each and every molecule, whatever in the universe, is in our human body. In universe, whatever it is there, everything is in our physical body. Okay, and we also say that कण कण में ईश्वर है. In each and every molecule, the Lord Shiva is present, and all the minerals and all the molecules in the universe are present in our body. And according to my research, I do a lot of research on this celestial bodies, universe, stars, and all. You can see my so many videos and about the aliens and Grahantarvasis and all. So whatever in spirituality we talk about, anything else, it is present in our body also. So that is the main part of the body receiving that particular energy. If we talk about the rashis and the grahas and nakshatras, so in body they have some parts and body cells and organs which are particularly receiving that grahas energies. When the graha ya nakshatra or rashi is not suitable to us, we are getting the diseases according to the rashis. So same like that, according to the astrology, where we are able to research and find out what is the health problem or health issue we are getting, but by not receiving the cosmic energy from the this particular graha. In the same manner, when we are talking about the pyramid, the same pyramid we also have in our human body. We also have that pyramid in our human body. So if there are any doctors seeing this video, they know that. Okay, so this is our right brain, left brain, mid brain. Okay, these three you all know. And you also know the hypothalamus. When we are saying you can receive the Akashic records, you can receive the alien information, and you can see through it and go through it. You can receive this. Then in physically, how we are receiving? We are receiving through our hypothalamus. That is in our body. Okay, so the mid of the brain, there is a hypothalamus we are receiving. When we talk about the pyramid, the Giza pyramid, it is like human brain. There are some secret chambers in the Giza pyramid. Same like that, in our brain, there are some secret chambers which are connected with the 7 chakras. And in the physical world, when you see your skull, when you stand in the sun, your whole body will be receiving sunlight. But there is some part in the brain which doesn't receive sunlight, and sunlight cannot enter inside that. Only urja, prakash, energy can enter there with your concentration. Yeah, you're able to understand? Yes. So when you stand in the sunlight is not going to enter inside the skull and inside the brain where is that secret parts. Okay, that is the king chamber, queen chamber, and there are some both secret chambers in that, the same like brain inside. Okay, and whenever you are doing meditation, you are receiving cosmic energy. In scientific knowledge, the receiving of cosmic energy is called as silicon oxide. When you convert that energy into the spirituality, into science, it is called as a silicon oxide. Okay, when we talk about the 7 chakras in the spirituality, the same 7 chakras are converted into science, 7 glands, spirituality, 7 chakras. Okay, science is 7 glands, endocrine glands. Spirituality is 7 chakras. Okay, the part where you are receiving higher dimension information is, in science it is hypothalamus. Yes, hypothalamus. Physically you can see that. Okay, in spirituality we call as pitru dosh, ancestor dosh, or ancestor information you are getting. Okay, so in science it is called as DNA and 12 strands. Okay, so everything whatever you have in astral language, everything you have in your body in spiritual language. Okay, and all the chemicals compositions, JC, sodium, potassium, aluminum, titanium oxides, and beryllium, boron, every mineral whatever you get in your on earth, it is you have in your physical body. You are doing mineral test for your physical body. You are doing mineral test for your physical body. Blood iron percentage, hemoglobin percentage you are doing in your physical body. Okay, and aluminum, potassium, sodium, all the test you can do with your blood test. How much percentage in your physical body? Okay, and all the iron, gold, platinum, everything whatever you are getting on the earth is everything in your physical body. If sodium is less in your body, so you are not able to remember. Where every 1 hour, 15 minutes, 25 minutes, you are not able to remember what you are talking and what you are thinking. If mica is less, your anahat chakra is blocked. Same like in science, again your heart blood circulation will be blocked. Okay, so everything you have, these are the natural crystals, are again natural chemicals. So there are 1500 species which GIA, okay, Gemological Institute of America have till now identified 1700 species. Every crystal have different chemical composition. These are natural chemicals. Okay, same the natural chemicals on which chakra, on which organ, on which particular psychological aspect they are working, same to same. All the tablets for diabetic, thyroid, headache, or remembering power, whatever the tablets you are using, they also have the same salts. Same salts. For thyroid you are using sodium and potassium. Okay, the pill which will be helpful for you 8 hours to 10 hours. Okay, the crystal we are using, sodium, sodalite, and lapis lazuli, which are having almost the same composition. Okay, so whatever the body needs, the God have created before itself naturally. If the soul is not able to absorb the energy naturally, you have blocked it by any of the way, the crystals are going to help you. Physically, what your body needs, this sodium, potassium and all, the crystals are underneath the ground. So with that energy from the soil, you are getting through fruit to your physical body. Okay, so everything you have the same manner. Pyramid also you have in your brain. I'll be explaining you through PPT. And thank to the universe which gives me always the update of information according to this. So this is our right brain and left brain. Okay, and which is receiving informations, and this is our hypothalamus. Okay, this is our hypothalamus where we receive astral messages and informations. Okay, this is called as hypothalamus, and this is called as pyramid. You can see here pyramid. This is a medical terminological word which is called as pyramid. This is not our word and our pyramid. Okay, every person in the human body have pyramid, and we have a medulla oblongata in our brain. This is backside. This is called as Bindu chakra. Where the Bindu chakra is present, that is called as medulla oblongata. That is the Lord Shiva. Okay, that is the Lord Shiva. The energy what we are taking from the cosmic energy converts into like dew drops. Normally if you want to catch the dew drops in the morning, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, when the dew comes, you cannot catch it. When there is a certain place, okay, outside on the trees, or any vehicle is outside on the car top or any two-wheeler, the dew drops will be, you can see. Okay, if you want to catch like this, you cannot. Like that cosmic energy, if you want to catch, you cannot. When you sit stable and you receive the cosmic energy, our Soma Chakra, Moon Chakra, we have a Moon Chakra over here that is called as Soma Chakra, where Shiva and Parvati are residents in human body. Okay, that is Kailash. That is Kailash. The Shiva is also having moon on his head, and he is staying in Himalayas, the coolest point. Our Agna Chakra, only the Shiva has third eye. None other than any god have third eye. Okay, you are able to understand, na? So that is third eye. Okay, so the human body is having the third eye. Here they are having the Shiva, the coolest point of the moon. Okay, there's Shiva and Parvati residing over there. Okay, when you sit and do meditation, you are receiving cosmic energy like Mount Dew drops, and they are converted into the liquid form. Okay, and here we have a Brahma Nadi. In that it is filled. This is called as Jaleri. So sorry, this is called as a matka, means when Lord Shiva is downside, and one drop from where the Shiva is getting Abhishek. Here and the backside you are having medulla oblongata, that is Shiva. It is in the shape of Shivling. Okay, here where the priest who reads the Veda, they keep a knot over here. Okay, it is called as medulla oblongata, and this is also called as Bindu Chakra. I have made clear classes on this, so you can go forward. Okay, medulla oblongata, from where the Mount Dew drops, means the cosmic energy have come and it's converted into liquid form, and it is doing Abhishek to your medulla oblongata. The person comes in a consciousness what to do and what not to do. So now the pyramid is working two times, where artificially we are sitting inside a pyramid, or we are using a pyramid cap. Okay, so when person is not able to breathe, when he is not in a condition, so we are using like ventilator or oxygen. Same like that, we are using a pyramid or pyramid cap to get more cosmic energy. So, and you are sitting stable and you are receiving the cosmic energy. So the double time or triple time more. So you are receiving the cosmic energy. The Mount Dew drops like the cosmic energy quantity is being more and more in the lesser time. So you are saving your time, your energy because of pyramid. Okay, and next, when the Mount Dew drops like from the Soma Chakra, the cosmic energy, the liquid is coming to your medulla oblongata, and then downside there are two olives which you can see in green color. Okay, there is a olive. These two are called as olive. This is called as pyramid, exactly like pyramid shape. I'll give you the PPT also. I'll send to Vaishali ji. She can give you. Okay, here the cross which is going on behind the neck here, where ladies tie like ponytail, there you have a pyramid. And all the liquid which is coming, and after that Abhishek offer, the Mount Dew drops like cosmic energy fall down on the Shiva, and next they come into your pyramid, and the energy enhances, and it's again diluted and supplied to all the bodies, 72,000 nadis and 7 chakras, and each and every the form of the energy has been changed until the soul, for the soul consciousness, wherever the energy have to be supplied, and wherever the blockage is there, the higher energy is being generated over here through the pyramid more, and again through the pyramid the energy is being supplied to all the physical body and soul. If we want electricity supply, we are not going to go to Sri Sailam or any big project. Okay, from that project till outskirts of your state it is coming, or inside your residence place it is coming, and again to the nearby place एक area like Adarsh Nagar, something area, it is again transformers are there, and within your street again there are 2-3 poles, and again it is coming into the meter inside downside of your house, and for every apartment there is another meter, and to it, again it is supplying to each and every fridge, TV and all. As not like that, it is directly coming from the main. Then it will be all the household items whatever we are using will be short circuited. Okay, so the energy, and in the meanwhile, whatever in your subconscious mind, what to achieve, why you are doing meditation, what is in your subconscious mind, that is also working. Okay, so where in that part, when you are not able to receive the universal energies, when you are not able to receive the universal energies which you blocked you in particular finance, family issues, passing out some exams or anything else, that chamber you are praying to Shiva to give me that energy, and the Lord Shiva, your medulla oblongata, is giving the energy to particular channel, and it is crossing in the pyramid way and giving and supplied to the chamber, and the cells in particular chakra or in your DNA are being opened. And what is DNA? D-ribonucleic acid. There are 20 types of amino acids. With the 20 type of amino acids only, your DNA is being made. When we do any operation or anything else, or scanning or blood test or any test, maximum your body parts will be visible and you can see that. But when you do operation or anything else, not your DNA has been removed or you're pulled, it is in an acid form. We cannot see that. Okay, but everything, our hair, skin tone, talking, even our teeth, everything, eyes, everything is formed only because of our ancestors. What is the DNA replica? Again and again it's a replica, the same thing we are made up of. Okay, so because why we are made up of only according to that, the DNA chemical structure. Okay, whatever the chemical tablets, whatever you are using, all the chemical already in your DNA, it is already there. When you have done any mistake with the anxiety and with that papa karma, your in DNA the acid availability will be low and less. With that you have damaged the structure. That is why when parents are suffering from diabetic or thyroid or any bald head or any type of diseases, liver, lung, any diseases, again it is transferred to the children. Okay, so again if you want to repair the DNA structure of 20 types of amino acids and 4 types of AGTP, okay, guanine, cytosine, okay, so these type of acids, for this energy, okay, you are just praying to the Shiva or praying to the universe and or manifesting for anything else, whatever the energy is down in you, that you are not able to achieve, and you have stopped your life there. You have 99, means your husband is good, your children is good, you have a finance and everything, but your health is not good. Someone health is good, children are good, but your husband is supporting in 10 ways and 20 ways he stopped supporting you. The karma you are suffering over there. Okay, whatever the ancestors, our soul have done, so that energy we are not able to receive because of the blockage. And the DNA, from the DNA there is a small molecules like electron, protons and neutrons, and the strings. So that string is not able to receive, the antenna is not able to receive the energy. How to ask your husband and receive the 10 types what he has stopped with you, and not able to not supporting you. He's good in supporting you, it's giving you 10 issues what he has stopped and not supporting. You're suffering with that. Your child is good, everything is good, but he's not studying. You're having mental tension about that. Okay, so that you want to recover that, you want to overcome that issue. So what is stopping you? Why you are not able to convince your child? You're stopped over there. So when you do meditation, the energy flows like this, and in particular that chamber, about what your subconscious mind is thinking, and according to what you are manifesting, the energy flows over there, and slowly the chamber will be cleared, and whatever the acids we are not able to release, and whatever the universal energy you have to receive to convert your child and convince your child to sit in to study, that energy you will be getting receiving. Okay, so in medical terminology we have a pyramid in our brain. Okay, in brain we have so many things, means right brain, left brain, medulla oblongata, or olives, 2 olives also important, but in another class let's discuss, and 1 pyramid. Okay, and when you get amrit also for enlightenment state, medulla oblongata only, that is going to come downside, and from the backbone the kundalini shakti is the snake is going to drink the one drop of amrit, and it's going to raise. Otherwise, now also whoever are doing meditation, they are receiving the amrit, means the Mount Dew drops, like from the Soma chakra, they are receiving the energy, but the energy is coming to Vishuddhi chakra, and again it goes to the digestive system, and it is burning out and wasting out. When we know the technique, there's a pranayam to convert this. When we do that pranayam and do all this, the energy whatever you are taking inside, then it will go into the directly Kundalini Shakti, and Kundalini Shakti starts raising. Okay, so this is a yogic breathing, and the persons who do these type of yogic breathing can sit in the Himalayas and without any sweater or anything they don't need, because they have stopped the cell of receiving the outer climate energy or atmosphere. They itself create whatever the heat or moisture or mineral whatever they want. That is why they don't need food. They are not means they don't receive outer atmosphere any issues. They no need sweater, they no need fan, they no need AC. So this is a technique of a yogic breathing, okay, and receiving. So in these issues, so here also you can see, actually this is cut into to clear ourselves. So this is the pyramid. Here you can see the pyramid of medulla oblongata. So this is the pyramid. Here you can see the cross. Okay, so actually this cross is of 4 types from the 4 dimensions, exactly the pyramid shape. Okay, the pyramid shape. From here the energy again crossing here, that is why the Kundalini Shakti, when it raises, they show like this 2 snakes and again the single snake, that is this. Okay, the motor corrects say completely here. Okay, and this connect to the Sushumna Nadi and Ida Nadi, Pingala Nadi. Okay, so this is the energy raising points whatever you are getting. Okay, pyramid of medulla oblongata, you can see here clearly. Okay,
It's clear.
okay, so this is the exact point inside the brain. Okay, inside the brain, you can search in Google also, maybe you can get it. Okay, so these are the chamber places where light doesn't travel inside, only the energy travels. Human brain only receives 0.5% only brain is working. Where the sunlight is traveling, there automatically the brain is working. When you wantedly send some energy to the brain, so then only the brain cells which are not able to receive so much of energy and recall the energies and all, so the brain cells start working. Then you can see beyond the human powers. With the naked eyes, whatever the human beings can see, more than that you are able to see the colors and the spirits and energies, and you can feel that, and you can read the past, present and future also. When you start giving energy into the secret chambers. Okay, so that who is going to do? Pyramid is going to do. The pyramid power is going to do. Okay, so normally when you sit and do meditation, the energy what you are in the stable state, the energy what cosmic energy you are receiving, that is first receiving your brain. But in the same time, when you want to receive the more energy, more and more energy, the high perfect dimension, the pyramid, and which power the pyramid is receiving according to its point, so you are receiving the more and more energy in the same time to this inside secret chambers. Okay, so whatever you want in the universe, whatever you are thinking in the subconscious mind, everything you are able to achieve. So according to the time slapping, On the earth, whatever you want, these are all materialistic wants will be shorten, and you think, wow, what is this bullshit, what is this rubbish, we don't want this. Oh, we are fighting from 10 years for a house, we are fighting for food, we are fighting for this all. Oh, when you start seeing the angels, we are start seeing the higher dimension masters, when you start receiving the higher informations, send this physical body and this physical wants and physical needs, all you will feel like, what is this rubbish? Oh, for all the world is fighting for this, what are these court cases, what is this rubbish? Then you'll start this understanding this all, and without matching dress, without matching dupatta, without washing your hair, without cutting your nails, you wear everything, you will be free of that, all the makeups and everything else. I'm comfortable like this. Before that, what we feel will be shameful. Arey, my dress is not good, my dress is stained, arey, I have to be neat and clean, I have to be like this, I have to be like that. When you start receiving the real energy into the secret chambers of the brain, and the brain really works, and all the maya on the earth is being removed and pulled out, when you see the new world with your naked eyes, then you see all this trash and these all things like rubbish and all. Okay, so that is why the yogas and yogic people sit silent and they grow nails, they don't cut their hair. You can see lots of people will be thinking, when he have a lot of money and he have everything else, why he'll be like shabby, why this Sant is being like shabby, why don't he carry a mobile, he have everything else, why he don't cut his beard and whiskers and his hair. We think like this. So this is the reason. They don't feel it. According to the material world, whatever is growing, whatever is leaving. You don't have that sense. Okay, so this is the secret of the pyramid. I hope my English is good and you're able to understand. Okay, daily we don't use this English and all. So if you want, I'll give you this, and a small thing, left brain and right brain. Okay, so left brain gives your logic mind, sequence, language development, thinking in the words, facts, and checking, interest in maths, science, analytic skills and all. Your left brain gives you. When your child, your any family members, if are not good at these things, you just start to manifest. Your left brain works faster, and keep a pyramid and or sit in a pyramid, and you can use any perfect dimension plastic pyramid or anything on the top of your head, and manifest to your energy go into your left brain. And your right brain, intuitions, imagination, okay, thinking power, emotions and intellectuality, or holistic thinking, interesting in the arts, science, or visual skills, attention to cortex, ये सब आपको this all right brain gives you all. This is actually called as the mid brain is called as Vishnu, and the left brain is called as Lakshmi, and the right brain is called as Saraswati. For whatever in the spirituality is there physically, definitely that part we have in our body. Okay, so each and every body part is receiving something and giving us something. Okay, in materialistic life, whatever we want, that is received by some out of some part in the body, in some dimensions of the universe. Okay, we have to know, so from which dimension we have to take that energy, to the which part we have to receive that, to get released from the obstacles in the material world. Okay, that is science and spirituality. Bas ho gaya. Everything we can achieve. The same like we want to increase our hemoglobin percentage, we eat or drink beetroot juice. When we want skin shining, we use fruit juices. Okay, when we want bone strength, we use like calcium. When we know in which we are getting which vitamin and mineral, we are using that, and in developing in our physical body. Same like that in spiritual world, whatever we want in the physical world, how the spirituality can help us, in which dimension, which god, or which energy, if you know that knowledge, and we will be receiving through our body parts, and till the soul, the Atma Chaitanya Shakti is being developed, and we can achieve this. But simple. Okay, so let's start our meditation. Any comments, any discussion, doubts? Pyramid is also receiving a power from the universe, from the cosmos. Okay, so we also receive the power directly from the cosmos. Okay, so whenever if you don't understand any terminology, don't stop your meditation over there. Just follow. The astral masters are with us, and all the celestial bodies are with us. Okay, so we will do a wonderful meditation today. Chalo. थोड़ा सा music slow. Okay, so I'll be guiding you. After that, you can raise the voice. Imagine a pure crystal pyramid astrally installed above your head of 8 inches far away from your physical head. A pure white crystal pyramid is installed over your head. It's clear with the pure energies of silicon dioxide and receiving the higher cosmic energy. The pyramid is connected to the Moola Chaitanya Shakti, from where all the Devi Devatas and all the spiritual devices and the Lord Shiva is receiving from the Moola Chaitanya Shakti. Our pyramid is connected with the guidance of our Purnatma, Vishwatma, Brahmatma. We are moving the soul's agenda through the crystal pyramid. All the energies are filtered and all the power we are receiving energies. Concentrate on your Sahasrara chakra. From the Moola Chaitanya Shakti, you are receiving energy to your Brahmatma, Atma, Purnatma, and the crystal pyramid into your Sahasrara chakra. So energies are filtered and your Sahasrara chakra is receiving. From your Sahasrara chakra, energies are transferred into Brahmarandram, Brahmanadi, Vajranadi, Nadi, Sushamanadi. Just receive the commands and follow the commands. Complete pituitary gland, pineal gland, and hypothalamus. Receiving energies from the pyramid. And complete your right brain and left brain is being activated. Command of all your body parts to receive these energies. Each and every cell receives your command and surrendered by your command. Your Soma chakra is being activated. Whatever you are breathing from your right nostril and left nostril, Shvasa is converted into Shiva and Parvati. And your Soma chakra is being activated. All these energies, whatever you're receiving, are being converted into the liquid form and transferred to the medulla oblongata. The air you are breathing, what you are thinking, the energies you are receiving are transferred to your Shiva, your medulla oblongata. From there, your pyramid is receiving energy, your inner pyramid energies. And the liquid is converted into the energy, kinetic energy, like the water into electricity. Your pyramid inside your brain, converting the energy and sending all chambers of your body and the soul. All your 72,000 nadis, 30 trillion cells, 7 chakras, blood, DNA, platelets, panchakoshas are receiving these energies. कपाल मोक्ष जो परमेश्वर से हम मांगते हैं, the human senses, the physical, each and every chunk flowing from the vast direct energy to the double pyramids astrally on your head and inside your head. Filtered 2 times, quickly designed for your soul, for the enlightenment. We are the most happiest people on the earth. We receive all the energy energies from the universe. We can every cell is receiving the energy. Left energies and energy we connected to the seven chakras are able to receive the light. Energies to become multi-dimensional and multi-talented on the earth. All the secret information, energy and knowledge within you from the past lives, what you have did, what talents you are able to remember within your soul. Pyramid is new. You are the pyramid wherever we go. Know yourself, know your inner energy. We are the cosmic power of the earth that charged by the cosmic energy. Our world. The electrons, protons, and neutrons are in the amino acids are receiving this energy. You energy. Types of acids are receiving this energy, and the DNA structure is being repaired. All the cells and platelets are receiving the energies. Stem cells are receiving the energies. Your bone and bone marrow is receiving the energies. Your four sets of chromosomes and genes are receiving energies. All are getting repaired, healed, and energized with energy and cosmic energy. From your Sahasrara chakra to all the chakras, DNA, koshas, soul, body, glands, each and every part of your skull is receiving energies. From your foot, you are transferring the energy into the Mother Earth. You are receiving from the higher dimension the Lord Shiva, and from all the celestial bodies and Moola Chaitanya Shakti, you are receiving and transferring to the Mother Earth. So we all are the satellites, like receiving the cosmic energy and giving the Mother Earth and healing the Mother Earth. You can feel the complete transformation of energy with you. The Anahata chakra, and through the happiness, heal the Mother Earth, the trees and animals. Another human beings who are not in a position to understand the energy and receive these energies are also being healed through us. Each pyramid master have the power to clean the Mother Earth around 10 kilometers around them. We have the power to heal the earth around 10 kilometers. So don't calculate, no, have the power 10 kilometers. Your aura is very strong. You are completely connected with the higher energy, and Shiva is with you and within you. Humanity on the earth. Lahari Mahasaya, Pranava Maharshi, Hanumanji, giving us this great opportunity to receive and give awareness. This of the higher and giving to the earth. Purest form of the energy within us. Release all the stress and tensions in the human body which you accumulated on the earth. We all are divine souls to receive the divine informations and transfer the earth with a great energy. We all are conscious and the great souls with the human body on the earth. Your Shiva and Parvati are within you. Your moon is within you, receiving the great energies. The Kailash, the Moksha is within you. The Creator, the Brahma is within you. The present moment of the Lord Vishnu is within you. Every cell is filled with the information of the Lord Shiva. Each and every moment what your soul have to be done on the earth. All the syllabus is written within you. Thank you to all the masters, the celestial bodies. Thank you to the universe. We are blessed by the universe with a great knowledge and information and energy. Rub your two hands and try to settle down all the energies in the body. Rub your two hands and keep it on your eyes. And now manifest whatever you want in this materialistic world to make your soul happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Open your eyes with the great energies.
So एक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूँ.
जी, definitely.
So when we, where do we put the crystals in the pyramid? Is it at the apex, top, or where do we put, and how much?
Inside the pyramid. Actually, the people make the biggest mistake is the point where we are receiving the cosmic energy. The tip they cut and keep the crystals. That is the wrong way. The pyramid, all the pyramid energy is being the main important is the tip. Okay, so we have to know, we must not disturb the tip. Inside the pyramid, near to the king chamber, okay, we can keep the crystals. On the four sides we keep a small hooks, L angles or hooks and all. we can hang the crystals or we can keep the crystals over there.
And how much that makes any difference? How much, what is the size?
Yeah, and the cosmic energy what we are receiving is including the crystal energy also, and it is received by the people. So double the energy. Okay, the cosmic plus crystal. So whatever the crystal we are using, it is related to the which mineral it is having. So every mineral acts on our physical and psychological elements. So which body cells want have the capacity to receive that energy, and whatever the psychological problems what we are facing when the mineral is down. So that two in that two aspects we are being healed, physically and astral.